Picture this. Torrential rain for 40 days.
And nights, yes?
I don't work nights.
Not the book!
You cannot do this!
Yeah, I caught it when it fell, and you know, finders, keepers, and all that stuff.
Maestro, a little wind, please. Hey, Genie, losers, weepers, and all that stuff.
That book unlocks all of my most powerful secrets!
Ha! That's the point, sweetheart. This spell here is great. I gave the monkey a shower. Now that was rich.
A shower? Ha! The all-powerful Malcho demands a torrential downpour!
Yeah, that's how it went, more or less.
This I can handle.
And then I made this little lightning zap that hit the genie. Pow! Oh, I really got him that time!
I'm sure there's a perfectly good explanation for this. That explanation is Iago's a louse!
Lightning, yes? A proper frying would be a fitting end for the almighty rainbird.
No, I mean, Thundra is old and tough.
The parrot will pay.
You need something special to destroy Thundra, and here's the one, the Arctic Blast.
Bueno, bueno.
Wait a minute. That's the spell that Iago...
Oh, Iago, mi amor, I knew you would not desert me.
You need a lot of room for this one.
Yes! Malcho calls forth the blast of the Arctic wind!
That sucker packs a punch. I seem to have tricked you, yes? There. Chalk one up for the conniving parrot.
Gracias, mi amor.
Excuse me, you two lovebirds. I've got a job to do. He's cold-blooded. A North Pole ought to suit him fine.
Oh, back to normal.
I'm packed. You ready? If you're there, where's my brown suit? Adios, Thundra.
There goes my ride. I better catch up.
Before you go, I just want to say gracias.
For being a lousy rainbird?
For just being lousy. I needed a hero who's deceitful, conniving, and sneaky to defeat Malcho.
Thank you, I think.